Alright, another morning out the lake. Cloudy today. I thought it was going to be raining. The lake opened later though. If you guys know, it's open at 6 now. So we're here early and they were late. But we're going to try to find some top water again. It's not too crowded. I saw my buddy Jim from 661 Fishing Guide. Make sure you hit Jim up if you ever need a guide. And I'll see you guys out there. There's the stripers coming in. There's the stripers coming in. Oh, those healthy guys. Little fat, little mini striper. Dude. Ah, here's a good one. Yes! Go! Let's go! There's a big one. Skinny though still, but big. Heck yeah, big old mouth. Let's go. 2.6, beauty. Another fat one. God, he's skinny. Okay. Real skinny guy. It's probably like 16 inches. Alrighty, another one. Top. Little dude. Catch this guy already? A little mark there. All right. Little dude central. Oh, dude. Yeah. Get it. That's a nice one. That's a long one. On the sucker. Nice healthy upper leg fish right there. 18.5. Nice and healthy. Let's go. Let's talk about this rig. The float and fluke or bubble rig or whatever you want to call it. Water bobber. Fill up halfway with water or even a little bit under that so it casts. I use a bead to swivel to protect the knot, and then to the little tiny nose hook fluke, and probably about a 5 foot leader, 4 to 5 foot leader of 8-pound test, and that's it. This thing will float when you're working it fast. It's on top, You can pause it and dead stick it and it'll just slightly sink, and they like to eat it like that too. But this thing is so effective when the bait is as small as it is right now at Castaic. And obviously you can see by this video and the last one how much it works. So check it out. Tackle Express, Chad can hook you up, the guys over there, or wherever you shop. And wow, he picked it up and ran with it. Oh, it's weird. That's a smallie? I think it is a smallie. I think. Mini smallmouth sighting? No, I don't know. Bronze though. Sorry. Well, sucker picked it up. Henry fish. Yeah. Ooh, he got some rip lip. Not for me. Mr. Rip Lip. Little dude central. Those guys are aggressive. Oh, fighter. Oh, look. Oh, dude. Little dude. There you go. Little striper boil action, guys. Oh God. Nice little striper boil. Little guys are so aggressive, but at least they're eating like really good. Gosh, they're so little. So many of them have this sore. I don't know. Look at that little sore they have. A bunch of them like that. Yeah, so after that flurry of topwater action, I grabbed the drop shot here and started fishing these outside areas here where they pushed off of. Shimmy fish. Oh, that's a good one. Just realized he was hooked. Yes. Yes. Little itty bitty swim bait. Yeah. Got it. Good too. All right. Oh. Let's see how much this guy weighs real quick. This is a 1.7, so skinny. Big old mouth though. Really nice upper lake fish, nice and long, just skinny. Nice long. Healthy guy. On that little bait. Yeah. Nice healthy.